Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to select multiple values from the drop down which is not having select tag. Means which is not means if there is no select tag in the drop down, if it is not a drop down, there is a text box and also there is no select tag. Means in my previous video I can show you the select tag, right? When we choose for the drop down, that drop down having select tag, right? And if that select tag is not presented, if that is a text box, if you click the text box, if having a multiple values, then how we can able to select from that? If you inspect this particular case, you can see this is the input box. Okay, this is a input box. When you click on input box, it is having a couple of values. Okay, and also we have multiple text boxes here. Whenever we click the same similar format of values, it is providing. But when you check this particular text box, IDs are different. Each case it is a different. But inside the text box, what all the values are presented, those all the values are same. Okay, then how we can able to achieve in this case? Even you can able to see there is a placeholder is presented, that is a selected. So we can able to click this selection option, and also we can able to click here also, here also, here also, here, whatever it is, we can able to select all. What are the selection we done, it will show in the top of that. Correct? How we can able to achieve our Cypress? For checking for this, we need to take the first allocator for the text box. If you see there is a here type is a text box, placeholder, ID is there, and class. If it is ID is presented, then we can able to take that particular ID value. Then I am going to take for this just an input box. Okay. Now I am going to create my suit. Describe mucho, and I'm going to adding here my title, jQuery drop down. Okay, now I'm going to make it for function creation, and then here I'm going to create for test case, and again I'm going to create for multi select, and again function creation, and then I'm going to create for cy dot visit, and I'm going to create a visit, and I'm pasting for my URL, sorry, URL. Then I'm going to get for my get method to take that value, input box value, and then the ID we can able to define by slash to identification purpose dot click. Okay, I'm using this click method. Okay, once we click that particular method, we need to choose this particular one. If you mouse over and if you inspect this item, we can able to see there is a class name. Okay, there are like we can say this title, it is, we'll see in this class it is having 45. Okay, when you go for another one, mouse over, here it is showing there are two presented. Down another, which one it is, Okay, it is showing like multi values only, but we'll take like, okay, title will take class name. Okay, cy dot get, I'm going to make it for dot class name dot click. Okay, if I'm going to click, what will happen, we'll see. Npx Cypress open. Now again we'll jQuery drop down. Not able to find, oh, sorry. Now it is loaded a page. Click the drop down, then you can able to see there are 45 element. If you want to choose, you need to choose this multiple selection equal to true. I am going to mention in that text box circlick method, and you can see it kicks something and it is waiting for another element to find, but it is not finding. Why? Means because it is choose what all the values are present in the first text box. If you minimize this text box, we can able to see there is another checkbox also presented. Correct. Then it is not able to find another choice one. We have 45. 45 it is presented all over the three text boxes. Then we are not able to click remaining thing because we are stuck into the first text box only, and we are not came for second text box. Then what we can able to do it now, okay, here we can able to choose contains, and this contains we can able to specify what type of value you want to click. Then I'm going to choose for choice 1. Okay, if I choose this one, again my test case will be fail. Why? Because a get method, if you come down, get combo tree item title having 45, the list of 45 elements are there. Then in that we choose choice 1. In the choice again it is having 3 because we have 3 different text boxes. We have inside the 3 different places we have choice 1, right? Then it is thinking where I need to click. It is clicked into one place. Remaining 2 it is not able to visible because we are not clicked remaining 2. That's why it is failing. How we can able to achieve in this case? Again we have another method called first method. If you click now, it will choose first value and it will make it as pass. See, now it is able to select and my test case also pass. Why? Means because we are choose contains method is giving there are 3 values. In that 3 we need to click one value, that is first position, which is the value it is present in the first position. That value we need to click, then it will click for that value. In case we are not working the first text box, we are working on a last text box. Then if you want to click means we have another method called choice. Lost. This is the last one. In that contains which is the last value it is coming, that value it will click. Then what will happen in the middle one? We have middle another option, that is equals, and another different methods are presented. Even we can able to, there are some different methods. Equal we can able to which position, like number also we can able to provide. We can provide that means contents you are using right now. In this contents, if you use equal and if you are provide the number second, then it will click for second position text box value. Okay, like that we can able to provide in that. Wow, how many values are presented, based upon that values it will choose, and we can able to choose the particular value, and we can able to click the checkbox. Okay, this for jQuery related drop down multi selection by using Cypress. I hope you understand this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.